In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your shipping address on SHEIN after placing order. It's simple, but you will need to do act fast. So let's get started. First, open the SHEIN app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Under the My Order section, find the order you just placed. If the status says processing, tap on the order to open the details. If SHEIN allows it, you will see an option to edit or change the shipping address. Just tap on Edit section. Update your shipping details and save the change. Remember, if your order has already shipped, the address cannot be changed, but you can still try contacting the shipping carrier to reroute or hold the package. And that's it. That is how to you change your shipping address on SHEIN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.